seatbelt by inserting the metal grip into the buckle. To tighten, pull the loose end. To open, lift the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. In case of low cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to start the oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Please wear your mask first before assisting others, and kindly make sure that you remove your face mask beforehand. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward, 2 rear, and 2 over the wings on both sides. The nearest exit can also be behind you. The escape path marking system will guide you to the nearest exit in an evacuation. A safety instruction card and an information guide are also available in Braille. Government regulations require using any electronic devices only in flight mode. Devices without flight mode must be switched off and stored away for the flight, except electronic entertainment devices, which may be used post takeoff. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and consumption of personal alcohol, is prohibited by law. Non-compliance is a punishable offense and will be reported to the authorities. Smoke detectors in the lavatories will alert the cabin crew immediately. In the unlikely event of a water landing, take the life jacket placed in a pouch under your seat and slip it over your head. Secure the strap around your waist with the buckle. Pull the red tabs or tab to inflate or blow into the manual inflation tubes or tube. The life jacket should be inflated just before leaving the main exit doors. In case of evacuation through an over-wing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. Tampering with or removal of the life jacket without and a punishable offense.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, सरकारी नियमानुसार इस विमान में किसी भी सुरक्षा उपकरण, आपातकालीन निकास या विमान प्रणालियों का अनुमति बिना या अनजान उपयोग करना वर्जित है। ऐसे करने पर सरकार